Sumpah dah pening. Ice. Sepuluh minit sini. Dah datang sibuk betul bisa.
Guys, the competition is going to start in 10 seconds.
Oh really? What are we going to talk about?
Let's talk about Pokemon Go! Gonna catch 'em all!
We don't play Pokemon Go. Let's talk about makeup.
What? We don't wear makeup?
So, what are we going to talk about?
Hey, have you watched Zack King Latest Vine compilation?
No, we don't have all day to look at our phones like you.
Why don't we talk about social media addiction?
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to our gracious, wondrous, honest judges, timekeepers, and members of the floor. On this auspicious evening, we are going to share 2 cents of our thoughts on the latest sensation that has taken the world by storm. The social media addiction. So sit back, relax,
Switch off your phones!
grab your popcorn, and just enjoy the show. Twitter, Instagram,
Snapchat! Oh no! I addicted to social media!
welcome to the world of social media, where talking face to face is an old story, even on things that are mandatory.
Look, I'm wearing a dress so fine. This thing must go online.
I'm eating my lunch. This must go on Instagram and get likes a bunch.
I go back to the hostel, and the first thing I do is Twitter. Like I have nothing else to order. So, are we using social media, or are social media using us? Everyone,
Mom,
Dad, brother,
sister.
uncle.
is on social media. Even animals have their own profile.
Animal.
Yes, dogs, cats, and even a cobra.
Like the grumpy cat.
Yes. Some say social media is dangerous. Some might even call it contagious. But I say it depends on us. Good or bad, let's together adjust. But there are people who are plain unwise. Instead of building ties and civilize, they go against what rule implies.
Hey, quick play with your phone, or else you will get exposed into accident. I'm too young to die.
Too young, too dumb to realize.
Chill, man. What's the big deal? I'm just trying to catch Pokemons while we're out.
What? Catching Pokemon while driving? Are you crazy?
Hey, look, it's Chakra.
Where?
That's Mewtwo.
Ooh.
Hey, look, there's a Pikachu.
What? Pikachu?
Look, there's a bus.
Ah! Nino, Nino, Nino. And guys, this is why you should never, ever Pokemon and drive. Now to the I, to the no, no, no. Go,